Hello collectors! Adore those ancient US bills checked silver certificate? Me as well. Fast history, they were once really sponsored by genuine silver, but presently they're magnificent collectibles. Here's my streak direct to nabbing a few. So, where do I explore for these? My best spots are trusted coin merchants, either nearby shops or trustworthy ones online. Coin-appears are too phenomenal for finding covered-up jewels. eBay? Can be great, but you'd have to be the additional cautious there. When you're looking to purchase, my outright best 2 tips. To begin with, condition is everything. Is it fresh and clean, or looking like it's been through a war? That genuinely impacts its esteem. Moment, continuously check the arrangement, date, and keep a sharp eye out for modest star notes. Another to the serial number. A few combinations are way rarer and more profitable. A small inquire about here truly does pay off. And the huge thing to keep in mind. These are notable collectors' things presently. You can't really exchange them in for silver at the bank any longer. It's all almost owning a chunk of cool US history. Trust this super speedy direct makes a difference. You catch a few astonishing silver certificates for your collection. Got any cool finds or fast questions? Drop them within the comments underneath. On the off chance that this was supportive, crush that like button, subscribe for more street collecting tips. Cheers!